Okay, hello guys. Weather is cold today. It's gray and cold. I just bought something from Zara and I actually just use it already right now. So it comes with a dust bag. It's so pretty and it is a makeup bag. Ta-da! It's very pretty. It's just giving fall winter vibes, or it's just giving classic color. Also, if you see my cat sleeping in the background, that's my cat. I really love it. I think you guys can tell that it's leather. So yeah, it's actually leather. I love the shape. It already has something in it, so that's why I just love the shape, even though I have filled it. It's going to be my makeup bag. Oh, I don't know, you can put your makeup brush in there. But yeah, I've already filled it with a lot of stuff. So far I really love it because these are the only makeup products I really use literally every day. So yeah, it's so pretty. I love it. So I'm gonna do my makeup with you guys. So I'm gonna start off always with my makeup with something moisturizer. So as you can tell, it's already finished, almost finished, but it is the Advanced Nail Mucin. Usually put 2 palms and then I just really try my best to moisturize my face. I don't really necessarily buy like any kind of trendy kind of products or makeup. It's because I think everyone has a different skin types and also products that are really good for their skin. I don't easily go to social media, find something skincare related and whatnot, because I do think that we all have different skin types no matter what the trends are. So yeah, and then now I already dried my face, and then I'm gonna put this Centella eye level cream, a tiny drop, just blend it under my eyes. I love this one because it's so cooling, it's so moisturizing. Sometimes if it's summer, I really put sunblock or this Centella Calming Daily Sunscreen from Ionic, but I don't really believe in like putting sunblock every day because we don't really have sun here, we don't really have heavy UV rays, so I don't think it's very necessary because it's quite thick formula. I just put this Charlotte Tilbury filter. I'm not sure because I don't, it's like gone already. So it gives that like, you know, like a subtle moisturized skin and I love it. So after that, I directly put my foundation, or I normally use this one. This is from Estee Lauder. Yeah, it's the double wear sheer long wear makeup tint SPF 20 from Estee, but it's unfortunately finished, so I'm gonna repurchase this one, exactly this tint, because this is really good. This is my, if I have to choose any product on my makeup routine, I definitely cannot live without this one because this is so lightweight, just natural finish. I really love this one. So normally I wear this one, but it's finished, so I discovered this It Cosmetics. It's the CC Plus color correcting full coverage cream plus hydrating and anti-aging concealer in the SPF 50 plus UV8 PA++. I love the formula of this one, but I just don't like that it can feel heavy on your skin when you wear it for like 8 hours and so. I love the formula and all, but at the end of the night or at the end of the day, I feel like, you know, it's not super lightweight. Like I feel like I really put foundation in it, but I love the coverage nevertheless. It's really good. So after blending, I normally do my eyebrows already, and I'm using the Murph Definer Brow Pencil, the shade, oh, I don't know, but I believe it's this like espresso. Yeah, I think this is espresso. It's just like a little, yeah, it's quite dark and very fine, and I love it. Just put a little light, like nothing crazy on my eyebrows. I just fill in the blanks of my eyebrows. That's how I do my, what is that? After my brows, sometimes I also use this Brow Fast Sculpt from Maybelline, but this is also almost finished. And I just fill in the rest of the front area. Very natural. Love that. Also feel like it's so dry. My lips is so dry. I use this Laneige lip slipping mask, but I never use it as a sleeping mask. I just use it for like a moisturizer because it's so good. After a few minutes, it's just gonna be so moisturized. I love it. My eyeliner. I just use the NYX Epic Ink liner because I just love how natural the color of it, but I don't like how it spill out, like the so I have to be very careful. Oh, I don't like the packaging. Actually, this is my third buy already. So after my liner, I already move on and use a bronzer. I've been using this bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury, so I just use a brush. Being very minimal, something like that. I also have like pimples lately though, so I also always try to sculpt my face using this bronzer. I'm done with my bronzer, and I will just proceed with the Rare Beauty, I think, yeah, the liquid luminizer. And I just use very tiny one, and then I just kind of do put there, and also sometimes a little bit here and here. That's it. And then I just use my hands. I also use a blush from Rare Beauty every summer, but I don't really like it around now because it's a little weird for this season to use a kind of a pinky blush. But let's give it a try. It's the Rare Beauty Love blush. I just love this color because it looks so good on my skin tone. So let's just put a little bit. This is also very subtle anyway, like the formula, so a little goes a long way. I also tried to put a little bit of a brownish on my shadow, and I'm gonna be using the bronzer from Charlotte. Round Conceal Buffer from Boozy Brush. This is like a 5-year-old brush collections that or brush sets that I have, and these are my very first brushes here in the Netherlands, and I will never throw them because they hold such great memory for me. So yeah, this is just what I do, and you can tell the difference about how contoured or something, or it looks, yeah, and it's so natural, very nice. And sometimes just do a little bit on here as my nose, just like that. I'm not a mascara person actually, so I never really use mascara, and that's just it. That's just how I do it. Sometimes I also, by the way, use this palette from Charlotte Tilbury. It's also their Face Sculpt and Highlight Bronze and Glow. I also really love this one. I use the pink one more often because it's just so good and it's a glowy natural look. Next is I use this Kiko Milano. It's their Touch Lip Liner, and this is in the shade 08. It's the Gloss Supreme. It's like kind of like a brownish color. Yeah, look, my lips is looking very hydrated from the lip slipping mask. Now I just put the edge to calm that lips of mine. You see? It's so good, this one. After that, I just put this Rituals lip balm from the shade, I think, Red. And then look how cool this one is. Ta-da! And the color is also just subtle red. It's not like crazy red for me. And that is my makeup, you guys. I'm done. That's just how I do it. I don't really use a lot of like products on my face because sometimes I really do have an itchy face from using different kind of makeup product. So yeah, that's just how I do my makeup. And I also normally like use my Dyson for my hair, but I don't really think I'm gonna curl my hair because it's looking very fine, and I need to shower it tonight after maybe running. So that's how I do my makeup. This is also my perfume. I love this perfume. I think I probably have this for 2.5 or almost 3 years now. And this is the Erin Tangier Vanille. This is my favorite perfume ever. I'm gonna repurchase this one. It smells so good, very like elegant. So anyways, that is my makeup routine, you guys. Okay, so good afternoon, you guys. I'm with my friend Mel. She's there, and we are in the forest walking for Lily because she needs her energy today. Mel, say hi.
Hi.
How are you feeling today?
Me?
Yeah, with our cycle
Great.
session.
But my ears are still blocked.
Oh yeah. How is it going?
Not good.
Look at that. We are also kind of alone. So, not really, but you know. Okay, so we have a plan.
Yes.
We're gonna maybe grab a drink over there. There's like a cafe named Grotto, and I don't know, I just like how like they prepare the foods. It's like just toasty, but it seems so like fresh and good, you know, and also nice coffees, that's for sure. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and then maybe after we're gonna do our hopefully our 10k steps today.
10k.
Hopefully. But yeah, we're gonna do our steps in, and then we'll be home, and then we're gonna do a bath. So that's what we're gonna do today.